Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we'll be exploring Badee, the beautiful attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah is the originator of the creation, having created it without model or material. He does not need previous knowledge to think, to investigate, to figure things out. He invents the original of everything in the creation. There was nothing before him, so he is unlike anything, and everything after him is made by him, unique, matchless, inequaled by anything else, and in no way similar to him. Everything he creates is a wonder, a marvel, since he originated it from nothing. Like the original creations, all the continuously created things are different from one another. Although they resemble each other, they are also diverse. There are no two people exactly alike, no two leaves exactly alike. A man marveled to the Caliph, Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, about the chess game. Look at this board, not bigger than a foot square, he said. A man can play thousands of games on it, none like another. Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, why don't you look at the man's face, which is similar than the chessboard? Although the eyes, the nose, the mouth are always in the same place, if you look at millions of men, you will not find two alike. And when you add the variety of expressions, there is no end to the differences, as there is no end to the power and the wisdom and the originality of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Most High. Attention and curiosity are two of the greatest gifts of humanity. All knowledge, science, industry are consequences of these qualities. Human beings cannot invent or originate. All we can do is discover things that Allah has previously created. As people observe phenomena with their attention and investigate with their curiosity, seeing the models of the bird and the fish, using the minerals and materials available to them, they discover airplanes and submarines. Some stop there, profiting from the material gains and fame, and become arrogant, thinking that they have invented, that they have created. Blessed are those scientists and inventors who use their success as an introduction to the greater success of receiving the love of Allah in their hearts. They see the hand of power of Allah, the originator, and Allah, the all-powerful, who has used them as a tool to bring about their discoveries. How well have the wise ones said, the ones who work with divine wisdom are lights. The ones who practice knowledge are guides. The ones who give good advice are lamps. The ones who think and know are alive. The ones who are ignorant are dead. So who is Badee? Badee is the witness that Allah Most High is the creator of everything in its essence, attributes and actions. Such a person is given the ability to know, to discover and to build things that others cannot. If a believer recites this name 86 times after each of their daily obligatory prayers, their understanding will expand, their inner eye will open and penetrate into the inner meanings of knowledge. They'll be able to do the difficult tasks better than others, and their speech will be words of wisdom. To recite Ya Badi'us Samawati wal Ard, O originator of heavens and the earth, 70 times when one encounters a situation difficult to solve may make its solution easier. To recite the same prayer 1000 times may help ease depression and stress. Thank you very much for today. Assalamu alaikum.